It's Gerald W. Brister on vacation still, but I wanted to get into the hats today. You guys are always interested in these white hats, and where can you get them at? Well, today I'm going to show you where you get them at. I'm here at Industrial Shoeworks in Bakersfield, and they formerly were known as San Joaquin Safety Shoe. They were a mom and pop small guy outfit, and they've been sold to a mom and pop, which I prefer and which I try to use every chance I get. I'm kind of a little bit anti-big box anymore, so every time I can help a brother or sister that's a little guy, that's what I do. They sell safety boots, sell a lot of things here. Let's go in and meet them. Let's go in and meet James, and I'll show you the hats. How you doing?
Hi there.
Good to see you, James.
Good to see you again.